FOODUS is a consulting firm specializing in HACCP and GMP plant facility construction with 25 years of experience. In particular, FOODUS representative has lectured HACCP facility judges at various universities and the Food and Drug Administration. In addition, he is the author of the HACCP Facility Construction Guidelines for Food Factories, which won the second place in the Science and Technology category at the weekly Best of Kyobo Bookstore, the largest bookstore in Korea. Let me introduce FOODUS consulting work on HACCP facility engineering. I broke down while preparing for HACCP. It's been less than a year since the construction was completed, but there are defects. Productivity has dropped dramatically because of useless movement. The over-design cost a lot of construction. You don't know what to prepare for the HACCP facility first? Do you want to build a proper factory at a minimum cost? FOODUS finds the answer. Introducing the proven solution of FOODUS, which has consulted numerous companies for more than 20 years. Building a food factory should not be approached as simply building a factory in line with HACCP legal standards. A food factory is a productive structure that needs to be profitable. To do this, it is important to first establish a marketing plan before starting factory construction. Eliminate waste factors through production analysis, and plan the optimal customized factory construction at minimal cost. If the construction of the HACCP plant is designed and constructed without a thorough analysis and plan, it becomes difficult due to over-design and over-investment. By analyzing the estimates submitted by the contractor and inducing competition through bidding, the construction amount is reduced. We save the overall construction cost by reducing the construction period with a thorough process management system, as well as to respond to post-examination and to prevent paralysis of work when the person in charge leaves the company. There is certainly a reason why large food companies with construction companies also request food factory facility consulting from FOODUS. Consulting FOODUS specializing in food factory HACCP facilities is the answer.